There are people.
Satan.
There are people
Who
who are standing.
They
are not standing comfortable because they're bending. Their faces and the head, they are very scary. They are very scary. They are cooked, well done flesh, as if they have been fried. Those people are standing there. They are shouting, please remove me. I want you to remove me. Remove me. They are busy cursing there. I want you to remove me. I want you to get out of this place. As they are standing there, demons are joining them.
And when
the demons arrive there, when demons arrive there, they don't come by themselves. Are you hearing this? They don't come by themselves. They come there by a certain force which is pushing them.
So, yes,
Jesus, he says, these people that you see, they are bending, including those demons that you see. The demons that you see, they have been pushed to that place by other demons. Those demons, they are coming from the earth. They were given a certain task by other demons and the devil. Then they failed. There are many. I thank God. There are children of the Lord who are making the demons who are assigned by darkness to do a certain job. And they fail. They are not allowed to end in the atmosphere. They are pushed to in hell where there are people who are being cooked. And they also join those people. Then Jesus said, these are the demons who are assigned to do a certain job. Then they failed.
And so yes,
Jesus said, can you see how many demons are entering there? That place where there are demons who have failed, even the people that you see there who are standing there, these are the people I've sent them to the earth. They also failed. Hey.
So,
there are people. There are demons. People who fail the work of God. Demons, they failed the work of Satan and other demons. They have been cast into the place.
And
I thank God. I thank Jesus.
So yes,
then Jesus says, demons who has pushed the other demons to the place. As I'm speaking to you now, they are going to take someone. They are following a person. Or who has caused these demons to fail their own task. Okay. When other demons fail, when they fail because of you,
lamaya makulu ka lamaya mata henhla ka wena.
The archdemons will come against you.
Ma hlongorisana na wena.
They will start chasing.
So machavi
Don't be afraid.
amafeyili na kufeyila.
Let them also fail.
Amafeyili na kufeyila.
Let them continue failing.
Yivito ra Yesu.
In the name of Jesus.
Amafeyili mangasesuka.
Let them fail before they come.
And the mo na mademon la.
These demons,
Twana.
listen,
Le moho mangakona.
where they are,
Amele kuthweni.
they are not burning.
Eh,
The arch ones,
amele kuthweni.
they are not burning.
Lamanga kuthweni.
The ones who are burning
Yilaba kufeyila ntirho.
are the ones who have failed the work.
Swa chavisa sweswi endliwaka hi mademon lama.
It's very scary what they do, these demons.
Kambe woho
But themselves,
hi ndlela la leyi ntsumi yin'wana a yi kha yi hlamusela hi kona.
by the way the angel was explaining this to me,
A ma tirhi
they are not working.
mo ku hlongorisa.
They are just chasing you.
Ma vona ku u fane u endliwa ku yini wena.
They check how they should do.
Ma teka man'wana mademon.
What must they do to get to you? They go and find another demon.
Ma rhumela wona.
Then they send them.
A swi feyili.
Let it fail.
Hayi a ma feyili.
Let them fail.
So Yesu.
Jesus.
Yesu.
Jesus.
Yesu.
Jesus.
Okay, ni nga se hlamusela leswi.
Before I explain this,
Eku Satan
is that Satan,
wa swi tiva tirhelo ra Xikwembu.
he knows how God works.
So na ye u tirha swi nga ku wa encenyeta.
So he's a copycat. He copied the system of God.
So Yesu u rhuma vanhu misaveni ku ta tirha.
Then Jesus sent people to the earth to work.
Na Satan a rhuma vanhu misaveni ku ta tirha.
And also that Satan sent his own people to come and work.
Satan u rhuma vanhu ku ta pfala ntirho wa Yesu.
And Satan sent people to come and stop the work of Jesus.
Loko vanhu va feyila,
When people fail,
ivi u fa u feyirile,
and then you die, failed the work,
u ta va kuma vanghana.
you'll find your friends there.
So un'wana laya
Someone there,
na kombela hi vito ra Yesu.
I ask, I beg you in the name of Jesus.
Satan o mi endla yini?
No matter what the devil do to you,
A nga mi tsandzekisi.
it should not cause you to fail.
So un'wana u ri ye u tshiki mhaka ya ku vanhu a va n'wi vulavula.
Someone said, I left the work because people were not talking good about him.
Vanhu va ku vulavula.
People talking evil about you.
Ivi u tshika ku ri vanhu va ta miyela.
Then you leave the work so that people will keep quiet.
Ivi tilo ri ku karihela.
And then heaven becomes angry at you.
Ni khensa ku ni ku pfuniwe naswona.
I thank God because I'm being shot by, I'm on the video. Listen,
Yesu u hlamula papa loyi a nga ku vulavuleni.
Jesus is answering the man who's talking there.
U ri u tshiki mhaka ya ku vanhu va n'wi vulavula.
He said, I left your work because people were talking about my name.
Yesu u ri loko wena ni ku yisa misaveni
Jesus said, when I sent you to the earth,
ni ku yisa u ri wexe.
I sent you alone.
Ni ku yisa u ri wexe.
I've sent you alone.
Enda wena
And you,
hlawula ni ku hlawula u ri wexe.
I also chosen you alone.
Why u tshikite ntirho wa mina hi mhaka ya ku vanhu wena va ri ku vulavuleni?
Why have you left my job? Because of what people are saying to you.
U ri sorry.
Then he started saying, sorry. Pastor,
loko u lava ku nga fail
if you don't want to fail,
ndleve ya vanhu
the
ya ku twa vanhu
ear to hear people,
yi pfumali
remove it.
vana na ndleve yin'we wena ya ku twa tilo
Have only one ear to hear heavens. Only.
u nge feyili
You will not fail.
hi ku loko u feyila
Because when you fail,
u ti hoxa hi wexe heleni
you are sending yourself direct to hell.
and swa vavisa
It's very hurting.
swa vavisa
It's hurting.
hi ku loko wehe u feyila
Because when you fail,
swi nga ku hungusela na masiku ya wena ya ku hanya
it can also cut your days.
loko wena u feyila
When you fail, it can even shorten your days.
swi nga ku tekela masiku
It can shorten your days.
hi ku nkoka wa ku va wena wa ha ri emisaveni
The importance of you being here on earth,
ku ta va ka ha ri hava
it will be no of value.
so lwana ku u nga feyili
Fight that you do not fail.